Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Windward waters. Oahu leeward waters. Oahu windward waters. Until 4:30 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a line of strong to severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts, wind gusts over 50 knots, and small hail was located from south and east of Oahu to north of Molokai, with individual storms moving northeast at 35 knots. The strongest thunderstorms were located from 25 nautical miles northeast of Waimanalo to 2 nautical miles northeast of Makapu'u. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and small hail. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Barbers Point, Laia Point, Faidi Buoy S, Sad Buoy U, Sad Buoy T, Mokuba Islands, Sad Buoy LL, and Sad Buoy HH. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.